ooh, we got some snow. And I need to work on my car, so I pulled the go-kart out, and then I was like, yo, maybe I should try to drive it. So we're gonna try to drive it and see if it works or not. It might not even start. It's been probably like a month or two since I rode it last. I think it was like November, October-ish. I can't remember if on is on and off is off, or if off is on and on is off. It probably isn't gonna start. I'll give it a few clickers. We lost the phone. I really just want to try to fuck around in the snow really quick, you know? I feel like it'd be fun. I don't know if it'll have any traction, but this doesn't even have a lid to shoot. Well, hopefully it doesn't blow up. Wait, I think that's supposed to go in the gas, not in here. Uh-oh. Oh well. There she go. That's no good. This end link is just loose. I need new front suspension anyways. Let's try her up again. She ain't happy. Work. Please. No! Come on, man. No, dude, let me get around. Just let me get around to the car. We're making it work. No! Oh, okay. I don't know. I really don't know what else to fucking say here. It does not want to fucking run. Like, don't know what more it fucking needs from the carb. This is your throttle screw, so that kind of sets where the throttle sits when you start it. You don't necessarily want to adjust this, apparently, from what I've read. You want to more so adjust this. We're kind of low on gas. I probably should... No, we got like a quarter. There should be more than enough in there. There's like a quarter tank of gas. It has the treatment in it. Like, I'm seeing gas come through, so it's getting suction. That's obviously there. It's been about a week since the last video. We have the new clutch that I got for $10 actually. I got 2 of them, so $20 for the whole thing. Free shipping too. Pretty good deal. Can't beat it. But overall, I don't know what the issue is. On and off switch has been figured out. That's working fine. I've gotten it to run slightly, but it just, every time it just dies. So I don't know if we need to adjust the float It's the only thing I haven't adjusted. I don't know if we're gonna put any starting fluid in it. I'll probably just give it a few pulls. It's probably not gonna jump at all, do anything, but we'll see. It could just be because it's so cold too. But I had the same thing happen last year, right? We got the Ghost. It worked every time I used it, and it was good for like, I think we had it for like 2 or 3 months, and then winter hit, and it was too cold to ride it. Obviously, there's a lot of snow. It snowed again. Since the last video, it snowed again. So I want to go and drive it in the snow just for fun. I think it'd be hilarious just to see how it handles it. It's probably not going to handle it very well, but it'd be fun. So yeah, that's where I'm at, is trying to get it to run. It's frustrating that it doesn't. Like, it only wants to start with that. Well, I took the carb bowl off, and I mean, it's pretty clean. I don't see anything wrong with it. I sprayed this whole thing down with some brake clean. I'm going to dump some gas into here. I went and got more gas, and then we'll try to start it. The bowl was like relatively empty, so I don't know. I don't know if putting it in is just going to make it drip out of this return with this line hooked up. So I don't know how it determines fuel. I don't know if I should just like put this back on and not put any gas in here. We're just going to put some gas in it. I'm going to fill the bowl up nice and full. The gas tube in. All right, there's gas in the carb. There's starting fluid in the carb. The carb was clean. At least the bowl was clean. The rest of the carb looks clean. Like, it's not been used that much. The gas was new. It's not like it sat for years. I don't know. Let's see. Honestly, the starting fucking fluid probably blew it up. I mean, she's very smoky. Very smoky. It ran though. Better than nothing. Alright, so we need to add a little bit more throttle. She's falling on her face again. Okay. Got that all cleaned up. Now we're gonna go ahead and tear these off. Tear the gas off. It's kind of frustrating actually. Wonder if I can do like a quick swap of it maybe. Oh. Okay, let's try to swap this gas without. Swap this gasser. Okay, hopefully we didn't get. I don't think we lost too much. Oh my. I think the engine's just fucked, huh? This is not a happy engine. So yeah, I think that's the plan. I'm just gonna get a new engine again, cause it's not worthwhile sitting here to fuck with it. It doesn't seem to be a carburetor related issue. I mean, it could be. The carb could just not be giving fuel or getting enough fuel. But I don't know. The fact that the other one, or that it ran for like a minute with the other carb on and then just died. I just think the engine's unhappy. So I'll figure it out and I'll see y'all in the next video. I don't know what that'll be. I just sent back the motor mount, so we should be getting a new motor mount soon, and all the other parts I don't know when I'm gonna buy them, so